to another Block Party Trading daily analysis. Today we are looking at Polygon, or formerly known as MATIC. We're trading in the USDT perpetual futures pair on MEXC, and we're looking at the 6-hour time frame, my faves. We are looking pretty bleak if you're a bull right now, as we have lost a very key and significant support at 9420. This is quite significant because we have held this support pretty much since breaking it right back on the 19th of January. So all year we've been trading above it. Now we know that all year it has been pretty bullish for Bitcoin. So it is quite significant that we're breaking back below that at the start of the year. However, I don't think the pain is over just yet. A couple of other key factors that we need to consider is that we have just broken, well, I suppose not just broken, but we have broken on the 21st of April, the 200 EMA. We have a couple of times gone back up and tried to re-break it, but it has not been very successful. We have continued down through this support, and also we are now looking at a potential death cross in the 50 crossing the 200 daily exponential moving average. I'm not a tremendous fan of the death cross or golden cross as a sign of entering or exiting a trade. However, a lot of other people out there are. There is a small and very early look at a potential divergence right here. You can see it's not a terribly significant peak as we're seeing, but we are seeing a relatively significant wick in just this candle here. And we can see that it is diverging from the actual oscillator down below. However, do not use this as a key entry. What we are using as a key entry is simply breaking down below this key support here. So this is where we're placing our stop loss as well. We can see an extended trend line heading on down. So what we can expect is as the trend line continues down and the price moves along, this will act as more resistance. So therefore our stop loss realistically should be pretty safe here. But also as well, if we break back above this trend line, if we break back above this 20 daily exponential moving average, or even if we were to break back above this resistance now, then it is likely that the price will be reversing anyway. So the trade will be stopping out. There is one small thing that we need to keep an eye on, which is the untested weekly pivot right up here. Although, like before, have we tested it? Have we? Maybe in the early morning hours of Monday, but I don't really deem that as a full test. To be honest, I prefer to have at least a few hours, maybe a day or so before it gets tested to have a real confirmation there. The other key thing to bear in mind as well is that we do have, you could deem this as a bit of a bullish divergence down here, as it's pretty flat and the price is still moving down. So yes, we may see a bit of a bounce, and also it is oversold. So yes, like I said, we could see a bit of a bounce, but I figure it will all happen within our stop loss. So you can, as usual, wait for a better price to come up, which is always good to do, but you know, sometimes the price will collapse. Bitcoin right now is not looking particularly healthy, so that is something that you really have to consider. At the end of the day, Bitcoin is king and it does lead the market. So whilst you can do all of the technical analysis on these charts for altcoins, you always have to be conscious and cognitive of what Bitcoin is doing. The targets are fitting within the one-to-one parameters, a little bit favoring us at the moment, to be honest. But for the most part, we look for around about a one-to-one from entry, which takes us down to a max point of 7133. However, there is quite a significant support en route at 7523. So once you kind of hit around this region, be a little bit wary of what's going on, and don't be afraid just to take profit and get out of the trade. Again, if Bitcoin is trading around about 25k at this point and looking strong on support, then I would get out of the trade. However, for the most part, you can pretty much just leave it to go all the way to take profit. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Good luck. And if you liked this content, then please give us a like and a subscribe. Of course, hit that bell so you can get notified of all the latest videos that come out. And if you love this content, then head on over to blockpartytrading.com where you can find all of our premium content. Drop any charts that you want to have a look at in the comments, and we will try to factor them in some upcoming videos.